All right, you have a Facebook profile and a Facebook page. The profile is for you as a human. The page is for you as a business or a public figure. So, profile, page, they are not the same thing. If I want to see my profile, I click on my name, my face up here, and then this is my profile. It tells you about who I am. There's my wine video I just did earlier today. And yeah, I got some pants from Walgreens, okay? That's not your Facebook page. Pages are here on the top now, okay? So they're going to show you all the pages you manage, which for most people isn't that many because it should ideally just be you. So this is, these are all the pages I have access to at the moment for some reason or the other. A lot of times just for ads or just to fix one thing. So what I can do is I can go to whatever page that matters to me. And what's super annoying is that I hate this side. I hate this right now. I hate it so much. Yeah, I can go back and switch, but guess what? This is the future, so you might as well just accept it. Um, I'm not going to sell from my page, so I don't need that. I don't want to manage it from Business Suite, okay? But you can. So this will tell me all what I've, done and everything like that. And that's great. There's my videos and there's my posts or something like that. So if I want to post something, um, this is where I'm going to do it, right? Do you have a copy of my new book yet? It helps you learn how to do social the right way. And here's my link. Now, sometimes it doesn't show right away. What do you mean 404? It's not a 404. Don't be like that. Okay, Facebook is pain. Facebook is like some I just want to kill them some days. It's super annoying. Everything they do is completely inconsistent. Make sure this populates before you post it. It's looking for that featured image. If you don't, it will just be a link. It'll be ugly. I mean, this is ugly anyway, but that's Amazon. I can't deal with it. And then you can post it. I'll scoop this up. Then you can post it. Now, after you post it, you can boost it as an ad. Personally, lately, I just think it's garbage money, but that's for me. So that's my personal opinion. Notifications are over here on the side. If there's anything that is unread, it has that dot. Even though I was just asking them to say that they're all gone, that I dealt with them. So you can follow people, you can invite them to like your page. But if it has that blue dot, it's a notification. So managing notifications is so, oh my gosh, I didn't even mean to do that. Managing notifications on Facebook right now, and when I'm talking about Facebook pages, is completely annoying. Completely annoying. And look, I share a lot of other people's things, so I have the ability to do this without, being obnoxious. But anyway, that's how you do it. You want to see what your page looks like to other people. You can click view as a visitor, and this is what it would look like, what I'm saying. If you need to have a person, well, that would be another video. The settings and stuff, that'd be a totally another video. But basically, if you want to deal with your page, when you sign on to Facebook, it will look like this. And then you're going to go, you can either go to the side where it says pages, or you can go to the top with the flag. Flags are pages. Pages are your business. Profile is you. So when you're asking people for help with your Facebook page and you're talking about your profile, it's going to be very confusing conversation. So I have a couple more videos. I'm going to add more things to this playlist. So go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.